Welcome to the Taxslayer tutorial, a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use Taxslayer for your tax filing needs. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of creating an account, gathering necessary documents, and filing your taxes with ease. First, go to the Taxslayer website and click on the Create an Account button. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Taxslayer. Next, gather all the necessary documents required for filing your taxes, including your W-2 form, 1099 forms, and any other relevant documents. You will also need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Now, log into your Taxslayer account and start the tax filing process. Select the type of tax return you want to file, either a 1040, 1040A, or 1040EZ. Answer the questions prompted by the software, including your personal and financial information. As you progress through the tax filing process, Taxslayer will guide you through the various sections, including income, deductions, and credits. Make sure to take advantage of all the deductions and credits you are eligible for to minimize your tax liability. Once you have completed the tax filing process, review your return for accuracy and completeness. Make any necessary corrections before submitting your return to the IRS. You can choose to e-file your return or print and mail it. Finally, pay any taxes due or apply for a refund if you are eligible. You can also set up a payment plan if you are unable to pay your taxes in full. Taxslayer offers a range of payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and electronic funds withdrawal. By following these steps, you can easily set up and use Taxslayer to file your taxes. Remember to always keep your personal and financial information secure and up to date. Take advantage of the Taxslayer support team if you have any questions or need assistance with the tax filing process. With Taxslayer, you can file your taxes with confidence and accuracy, and get the refund you deserve.